Hello folks, this is Keith at Redwood Grows, and today we're putting up the block walls. That's right, the walls are coming up, and pretty soon we'll have walls for the greenhouse. Take a look. Alright, so the corners are in the greenhouse. As you can see, because of the stepping, we had to put in some small cut blocks to get stepped in, and then we put in full blocks and some half blocks. And now our course will be full up, and we're going to go up 4 foot on this wall, and then 8 foot on, this is the west wall, 8 foot on the back wall, which is the north wall, and then 8 foot on the east wall. So this will actually be ground level of the inside of the building, and then from here 8 foot up. So laying the blocks, getting her done. Alright, here we are, day 2. All the walls are up 4 feet. So the south wall here is up to its normal height. West wall is up to 8 foot now, and they're getting ready to do the north wall. Close that in, and then we just got the east wall and put up the support walls for the berms. Looking good. Hopefully be done today, they say. See if the rain holds up. Alright, all the blocks are done. We have our retaining wall here. I'm going to end up putting some caps on that when we get ready. We got the 7 foot wide door. We're 8 foot high. This is the north wall. We put it's an 1.25 inch plastic pipe in for water tower. We're going to build another water tower here. I'm going to try going higher I can, to put fresh water into the greenhouse. So that'll be all underground, but I got it into the wall. Come in here. We've got the this would be the east wall for the 7 foot door. We have that in, and the west wall is up, and I've got a man door on that side. And again, retaining walls on the outside the doors so that the berms can come out, and we'll try to cover the walls and grade this in a little bit more so that we don't have the heat loss in the wintertime, and actually we don't have the excess heat in the summertime. So all this block will become a thermal mass, and we'll berm this all up in here too. So it'll be almost like a sunken greenhouse. And then of course here is the east wall, and that will be plastic, and then the trusses I got to build will have plastic on the south side. I said east on this wall, I think, maybe. Anyhow, the south wall will have plastic on it, and the trusses will have plastic on the south side of the roof, and then on the north side of the roof it will be plywood and metal to keep the fish out of the sun. So that is the build of the aquaponics greenhouse as we are to date. Thank you. If you like, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so when you have new videos come out, you get notified. Have a great day.